Welcome.
We got ideas.
Thank you again for all your support. Today we will be drawing a bird. So grab your art supplies. But before we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and happy drawing. We will begin by drawing the bird's head. Doesn't that look like the letter C? Let's draw the bird's wings. A few feathers. Now it's time to draw the bird's body. Now let's draw the tail. I'm adding more design to the bird's wing. Here I am making small oval shapes for the feet. Let's make the bird's eyes. The bird's eyes are closed, and let's add a few lashes. Let's draw the beak. Now let's draw a few feathers standing up on the bird's head. It looks like a crown. Draw a few wavy lines on the chest. Next is the branch. Add some leaves to that branch. And you're almost done. I want to add a little more to this branch.
But
It's time to color it. Fun fact, did you know that there are around 10,000 different species of birds worldwide?
Oh, wow.
Great job, everyone. Remember, little artists, if you want to submit your artwork to me, email me at the email address below.
Like, share,
Subscribe.